Hello everyone, welcome to Amusing Science Experiments. In this experiment, we will demonstrate the identification of carbon dioxide gas. When metallic carbonates and bicarbonates react with dilute acids, carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Carbon dioxide is an acidic gas. Carbon dioxide is also known as greenhouse gas. Plants use carbon dioxide to prepare food during photosynthesis. The materials required in this experiment are conical flask, delivery tube fitted with two-holed cork and thistle funnel, lime water, blue litmus paper, sodium bicarbonate salt, dilute hydrochloric acid, potassium dichromate paper, and potassium permanganate paper. I hope you are all ready. Let us perform the experiment. Take a conical flask, delivery tube and thistle funnel fit into the cork, lime water, sodium bicarbonate, blue litmus paper, dilute hydrochloric acid, potassium permanganate and dichromate, potassium dichromate paper. Now add sodium bicarbonate salt into the conical flask. Fit the cork carefully onto the conical flask. Add dilute hydrochloric acid into the conical flask through the thistle funnel. Carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Observe carefully. The lime water changes to milky white. Carbon dioxide changes lime water to milky white. Now bring the litmus paper in contact with the gas evolved. Its color changes to red, indicating that carbon dioxide is acidic in nature. Carbon dioxide gas has no effect on potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate paper.
Let us understand. HCl plus NaHCO3 forms NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 and CaOH twice reacts with CO2 to form CaCO3 plus H2O. With sodium carbonate, the reaction will be 2HCl plus Na2CO3 to form 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. When dilute hydrochloric acid is added to sodium bicarbonate, carbon dioxide gas is evolved. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water, it turns milky. Carbon dioxide turns moist blue litmus to red. It is an acidic gas. It has no effect on potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate paper.
I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to watch more interesting educational videos.